Your next car could be the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane keeping assist, fog lamps, power liftgate, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.